In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do YouTube's chapter or timestamp in just 3 minutes. So as you can see, this particular YouTube video actually did the timestamp using AI. So and I'm able to rank well on Google using timestamp because timestamp allows you to rank well on Google. So ensure to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to show you the step-by-step guide. Let me go back to my YouTube studio to actually show you the step to actually do the timestamp. So I'm going to use this my particular video, which is how to use 10-win ghostwriter. So let me click on it. So this is the video. As you can see, it's loading up. So there's no timestamp. I'm going to use AI to actually do the timestamp. So I'm going to copy the URL of the video. Then I'm going to go back to Google search. We are going to type in this particular keyword on Google search, which is Gratify right. So this particular AI tool will allow us to do our YouTube timestamp. So let's click on it to sign up. So it's loading up. We are going to sign up on this platform to actually do our YouTube timestamp. So, and this particular AI tool, they have a lot of features. You can write your blog post. You can do a lot of things with these AI tools. Okay, as you can see, we can write our blog outline, blog ideas, title and thumbnail, domain name. You can actually do a lot of things with this Gratify writer. So it's a great tool for everybody. So I'm going to sign up for free. Let me click on sign up for free over here. So I'm going to sign up with my email. You can sign up with your Gmail. Probably if you want to register afresh, you can create an account. But I have an account already, so all I have to do is just to log in over here. Log in. So I'm going to log in this account to actually show you. It's very simple, very easy and fast. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of this Gratify right. So you can see you can actually write a blog post, image prompt, you can generate AI image, social media, a lot of things with this AI tool. But what we are concerned is we want to create YouTube timestamps or YouTube chapter using AI. So we are going to locate this tool over here. So let's go back to the YouTube tools, then click on it. So as you can see, this is the timestamps. So we are going to click on it. Then we need to get our timestamp directly from YouTube. So we are going to go back to our YouTube studio. So we want to do this video. So let me copy the URL of this particular video, how to use Tailwind to write product description. So I'm going to paste the video in another browser to actually get the timestamp directly from YouTube. So the video is loading up. We are going to wait for a little bit for the video to load up. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, then scroll down a little bit. So then I'm going to click on more option over here to actually show transcript. So we're going to click on it to actually make sure we copy the transcript and just copy. We are going to copy it from beginning to the end, all the way to the end. So we are going to copy it, then go over to the tool and paste it over here to actually make sure that AI actually do everything for us. We don't need to be doing it ourselves. We are going to click on create content. So this AI tool is going to generate our timestamps for us, and we are going to have something very unique. As you can see, within some minutes, this AI tool has been doing the work for us, and we are going to have a very unique timestamp for us. So I'm going to click off. You can actually subscribe if you want to be using this AI tool to do most of your timestamp. So as you can see, inside the end product said introduction, AI tool for product description, saving time and cost, essential tool for marketer, step-by-step guide for signing up. So it actually listed every step we actually mentioned in this video. So I'm going to copy the timestamp over here. So I'm going to copy from beginning to the end. You can actually do a lot of editing to this timestamp if you would like, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will just have to copy, then come over to our video. So I'm going to paste the timestamps. Let me find a place to paste it. So let me make a comma, so then paste the timestamp. So this particular tool actually save us a lot of time. So we are going to add 00. I think I didn't copy the 00 because every timestamp have to start with 0.00. So right now I'm going to save it. So after saving it, we are going to see a particular time for each session in our video. So let me play the video to actually show you that we actually done our timestamp within just 3 minutes. So I'm going to show you the video over here. So when you scroll down a little bit to show you, so I'm going to click on more. Then as you can see, we actually have a timestamp on this video. So it's actually, this timestamp allows to rank well on Google. When someone is actually searching for content related to this, we are going to rank well on Google and on YouTube. So I hope this video actually help you out to actually create your YouTube chapter or timestamp. If you actually do, please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and learn my strategies. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.